Quinn and Cantera, Pix 106, 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Let me try to hit this name correctly, Cantera.
Since I'm 0 for 2.
Cassandra Kazukenus.
Kazukenus.
I was doing it off the top of my head. I thought I came close.
Do we get it, Cassandra?
How about just Kaz?
Kaz.
Is that what your friends call you?
Well, no. My friends actually call me my maiden name.
Okay, all right. All right, Kaz.
I'd let my friends call me Kaz.
I like calling her Kaz.
Kaz Esquire.
All right, so organizers of and the big financier for Woodstock 50 are battling it in court. Day 2 in court today. The fate of the music festival up in the air after the investors, Dentsu, pulled $18 million. So the way I got it, Kaz, is that Michael Lang and the Woodstock crew filed a lawsuit against the financiers, and now the financiers are filing a counter lawsuit. Is that right?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. I wasn't able to pull all the documents, but that's essentially what's going on.
So who's going to get their money, if any? And, is the damn thing even going to happen?
It doesn't sound like it, right? I mean, there's allegations that the infrastructure that needed to be in place isn't in place. There are misrepresentations about the capacity, which would go to ticket sales, as to whether the contracts are even enforceable or not. There's a lot of questions.
Yeah, we read Dentsu didn't even do any due diligence.
Yeah, but no. Now I'm actually backing Dentsu. They're the people who put up the money. Michael Lang said we're going to have 150,000 people there. When Dentsu learned that the venue only holds 75,000, don't they have a right to pull they have a window and a right to pull their investment back, don't they?
Yeah, that sounds wrong.
I'm sure that the contracts are voluminous and long, and I'm sure there are a million ways in and out of it, but it depends on what they can prove, right? If there is misrep, probably have some options. If there's not a misrepresentation, all that stuff's going to get sorted out in the court process.
It just seems odd, though. So a court ruling could say to Dentsu, nope, you can't pull your money. Right. So then they have $18 million on the table, and then Woodstock 50 tanks, and they lose their money. Yeah. And because the judge made them lose their money, I feel like Dentsu's in the right here. And they were told there was going to be twice as many people there. So Cantera's right. So we got to wait another day to figure anything out, or do we have to wait even longer?
I think it's going to take longer than a day.
So are we going to get to see Jay-Z or what, Kaz? That's my question.
Doesn't it sound like it's not going to happen, though, right? Like, the artists are starting to talk about, we're holding it for a little bit longer, otherwise we're going to start booking other venues.
And then what? $18 million. What does their attorney get if they get that money back for them?
More than you can dream of.
I believe it, yeah.
All right. And then there's the question of the artists were, I assume, on retainer to hold the date, so they have to be paid. Who's going to pay them? It's not going to be Dentsu if they win. It would have to be Michael Lang and the guys.
Yeah, and that's where it comes in. Michael Lang had a relationship with Dentsu before. He put on the prior Woodstock. You would think there would have been some forethought in this, considering they've done it before. And yet this has gone all sideways.
It just sounds like that everything got screwed up when someone said 150,000, right? I mean, just assume, and then all of a sudden you get there and it's a mess.
You don't have tickets on sale now. It's way too late.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. I mean, if you're assuming profits based on $150,000, that changes your investment, right? And the money you put into it and all of that.
No question. Well... All right, no free love, hippie Woodstock this year.
Let's just remember this, though, you two.
Yes.
That the original Woodstock had some hiccups, too.
Sure.
And it turned into this great cultural event.
That's kind of the beauty of it, that organic feeling.
We have 2019 hiccups, you know what I mean?
Maybe people will just converge anyways.
Go.
Just go and just go anyways.
Yeah.
All right.
Well,
it's a different world, though, isn't it?
It really is a different world, no question.
Cassandra's in for Paul Harding this morning, 1-800-LAW-1010 and 1-800-LAW-1010.com. We'll keep an eye on that case, Cassandra. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Chaz.
Thank you.
See ya.